Dr. Grant, I give you the resonating chamber of a velociraptor.
This is brilliant, Billy. Really, it is. Sad to say, gonna have to pack up in 4 weeks.
Dr. Grant? Paul Kirby, Kirby Enterprises.
Amanda and I just love the outdoors. Heck, we've been on just about every adventure tour they can come up with. I've chartered an airplane to fly us over Isla Sorna, and we'd like you to be our guide. And of course, we'd love to make a contribution to your research here.
Bake me when we get there.
Unidentified aircraft approaching Isla Sorna. You are flying in restricted airspace.
Alan!
Dr. Grant?
Alan! I think they're looking for someone.
What are they doing?
They're setting up a perimeter to make the place safe.
On this island, there is no such thing as safe. We have to get back on that plane. Will you tell your wife to stop making that noise? That is a very, very bad idea.
Amanda!
You really need to work on communication in your marriage. I can get up this way.
We'll all be perfectly safe and no one will come to any harm at any point. You promise? I pinky promise. Okay. Alright. Wait, we don't have pinkies, you Jesse. Seeing as this guy is dinosaurs, should we really be shouting like this? There's that wolf talking. Guys, I can hear something out here. Something big.
Keep shouting like that, we're gonna have every dinosaur on the island on top of us. I never knew they attacked in herds. Oof. Or that their bites hurt so much. Come on up.
Amanda, honey, Dr. Grant said that's a bad idea.
What?
He says it's a bad idea.
What's the bad idea?
Come on, we gotta get to
to get back on that plane.
What about the other guy?
Cooper's a professional. He can handle himself. That's Cooper!
Who has a satellite phone?
I do.
No, man.
It's time you did some explaining, Mr. Kirby.